What's up, guys? Welcome back to 604 Diecast Customs. Hope you guys are having a great day. Sorry it's been so long since the last video. I know it's been well over a month now. I just really haven't been finding any cars. Like I mentioned in a couple previous videos, I live in a really small town and we got a huge dump bin. I think it was about 8 cases, unfortunately, of the exact same case. And we haven't gotten anything new since before Christmas, so I just have sort of been put on a halt by no cars to pick up. So I'm starting to open stuff that is a little bit older that I'm going to add to my collection. As you guys can tell, in front of you we got some MacLarens here. So it's not going to be a Lamborghini video. We're doing some MacLarens today. Specifically, we're going to be doing some P1'S. We have the black and red one, which is this very first one, I believe, from, I think it was 2014. So this came in the black with the red. It's got the full headlights and tail lights. You'll notice this one has been metal base swapped and wheel swapped. It's got the metal base and wheels from the Cars and Donuts P1. So I ripped one of these apart a while ago and I base swapped the black one. We've got 4 other ones to open today. I have this yellow one we'll start off with. So this one came out right after the black and red one the following year. It's I like the MacLarens. They haven't gone too wild on these P1s. They keep them pretty solid colors. They do the headlights, the MacLaren emblem, and then they do the tail lights on the back. We've got a little accent around the exhaust there, which is nice. But they don't do too crazy a tampos on these, which has been very nice. We'll skip to the next one here. The next release was the white one. So this would have been, this was the 50th anniversary, 2008. So this would have been a 2018 car we're looking at here. So this was probably definitely later than 2014 then. Anyways. So same thing, they didn't go too wild. There is a little hood stripe on this one. But it's nothing crazy, just to the hood. It's a solid stripe with 2 accented stripes alongside. They still did the MacLaren emblem, which is super nice on the front there. They got their headlights. Some nice gray wheels. And again, they've got the taillights and the accent. And then next year, we've got the recolor of the white one, which is this nice green one. Very nice metallic. As you guys know, I love sparkly metallic paints. Specifically red sparkle metallic is my favorite. The old Lamborghini Diablo video I did, that's got to be my favorite red sparkle paint so far. Metallic in that one was crazy. But again, just the nice little hood stripe, the headlights, and the taillight decals. Super nice cars. And then, as I showed you guys before, we have this Cars and Donuts one that came out in the car culture. And they went crazy on the decals on this one. It's got black accents on the sides, all over here, up over the wheel arches. On the front there, it's got a crazy hood decal. 3 of them. The same on the back. It's got over the wheel arches. They went a little crazy with this one, but it's nice still. Funny enough, it actually goes well. I wanted to remove the sides and just leave the cool hood decal. I thought that would look super nice. I think the sides are a little too much for me, but I haven't gone through actually pulling the acetone out and trying to rub those decals off. But we're going to open this because the first one I opened I destroyed to take the base off. It's not destroyed, it's sitting right here. It's just got a random set of wheels on it. We're going to strip the paint off that one at some point. Maybe we'll try and take the decal off on that one first. If not, we'll just strip it. We'll repaint that one, do a custom. Maybe a nice red metallic. This the orange paint on this is really nice. There is a sparkle into it. Sort of hard to pick up. I'm not sure if you'll see it there. Oh yeah, there it is. It does have a light flake to it. And the wheels to your eye look black, but in the lights and camera here, they look really green, which is interesting. Now this is something I'm not a huge fan of. They didn't do the taillights on a premium Hot Wheels car. They do the taillights on the main lines, but because they added all these stupid side decals, they decide not to do the taillights, which to me looks absolutely ridiculous. It's one of the big accent features on the McLaren P1 is the big open back grille mesh, and then this is just not there. I mean, I could totally do it, paint it a flat black, add the exhaust and the line, but it's just crazy that they wouldn't do that on a premium car. I think they should have skipped the side decals and then put on the accents on the back, but yeah, I don't work for Mattel, so I just make them look the way I like them. So that's the 3 I've got to open, making my McLaren collection of P1s up to 5 from just the 2. And there was one more here. As you guys notice, I do have 2 720s. We've got the purple, which is the most recent release. And then we have the orange, sort of copper metallic one. I do have the white one to open, which is very nice, just a normal flat white. No crazy decals on this one. Just a very nice white. Headlights. It's got McLaren there on the front. The little vents. And again, unfortunately on these ones they didn't do the taillights, but I can paint those in pretty easy. It's just sort of an awkward spot to get in there with their decal machine that they use, I guess. So, but anyways, guys, that catches me up with my McLaren 720s up until the new Fast and the Furious release gray one, which I definitely am gonna have to get for my collection. She's a beauty. I'll try and post a picture here if you guys haven't seen it. But anyways, guys, I'd also like to just thank all the new subscribers. I took that little month break off, and I came back to about 147 new subscribers. And I'm not sure what happened on February, what was it, February 7th or February 12th? But my videos went from getting about 300 minutes of watch time a day to about 500,000. I'm completely baffled at what happened, but I've gone from like a couple hundred views on my videos to 10,000 on some of them. So I just want to give a big thank you to whoever it is, all of the new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. As I said, at 500 subscribers, we're definitely going to do another giveaway. The first one has been delivered to a guy that won. I won't bring his name up on here. I do know him personally now, actually. He's a good guy. So, yeah, at 500 subscribers, we're going to do another giveaway. So, just keep liking, subscribing, and sharing to the videos, guys. I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a great day.